I didn't feel quite comfortable in that round, as myself.
No, I
feel
sense that.
underachieved. So
yeah.
I think if I could just put this on for a moment. Bonjour, Jimmy. Je m'appelle l'enfant canton.
Well, one of those words you can't say.
Many words I cannot say. Bonjour, on y va.
What are your tips for this one? You actually have a theory about this, don't you?
Pick a number and then do it again 5 times. Pick a big number.
A big number, please.
Seulement un?
Me?
Cinq de la petite.
Sean, Jason, I've got a scene for you. I've chosen for you Return of the Jedi. so Jason, you're Yoda. Could you pass those over to...
This is one of the Star Trek films. Star Wars films.
Sean, that's your wig. The wig's for you.
Oh, the wig's for you, apparently.
Hey, fucking shove your wig.
Not Sean.
What?
Wig.
You can't make people put wigs on.
You've already had an iceberg.
You can't.
Lettuce on your head.
Even Hitler didn't do that.
Even Hitler.
Even Hitler didn't make people wear wigs.
Or maybe Jason just hold it like above his head the whole time.
There you are, Jason.
Seriously, Sean, you telling me you don't need a wig, it's just you being in denial. It looks like you're dreaming of hair.
I do have hair. Where? I do have hair. He hasn't got any hair.
I've got hair on the sides, mate.
To be honest, there's not a massive difference. Other than you've styled it and you've just come as you are, there's actually not a massive difference between the two.
I just don't dye mine.
Ladies, please.
Hey.
OK, Jason and Sean, Return of the Jedi.
That face you make. Look, I so old to young eyes.
No, of course not.
I do, yes, I do. Sick have I become. Oh, no. Sick have I become. I didn't read that. I could have read ahead.
It's amazing to see you turn that quickly, though.
Master Yoda, you can't die.
Twilight is upon me. I've seen that film. Twilight is upon me, and soon night must fall.
But I need your help.
No more training do you require. Except acting training.
Master Yoda, is Darth Vader my father?
Your father, he is, told you, did he?
Yes.
Unexpected this is, and unfortunate.
Unfortunate that I know the truth.
No, unfortunate that you rushed to face him. That incomplete was your training. Not ready for the burden, were you?
Well, I'm sorry.
All right, so, John, you're picking the numbers.
I have another hat. Here you go. How you doing, mate?
Wow, you're an Australian who's been castrated.
I'm a lady.
That was the case with all of them.
Do you know what's lovely is this time I can actually talk to you. French, I'm not across, but Australian. Yeah, how's it going, mate? You all right?
Yeah, and all that stuff. I saw a bloody kangaroo before, didn't I?
Did you? Yeah, what'd you do?
Just walk past it. There's loads of them in Australia, isn't there? It's not noteworthy, is it?
What was his name?
Pouchy.
Oh, yeah, I know, Pouchy. He's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hit him with my car. My ute. G'day, Rachel.
You sound like Dame Edna.
Okie dokie. This time I'd like 2 big uns.
Just because we're on 0, can you do me a favour? Can you stay in character when you do the maths as an Australian, then I might win?
It's actually very offensive. I'm actually quite hurt. I like 2 big uns
uns and 4 little uns.
No problem.
Stick the 4 little uns in the pouch of the 2 big uns.
Well, welcome back, Sean. I'm surprised to see you here tonight.
Oh, I'm not averse to doing a sequel if the money's right.
I'm actually more surprised that you're here given the reaction to your last appearance.
What are you talking about?
It wasn't good, Sean. Are you on Twitter at all?
Do I look like I've got 140 characters in me? I've barely got one.
Susie has some of their feedback. I'd brace yourself, if I were you.
Yes. Cat Stars Countdown are really scraping the barrel with this one joke Sean Bean prick.
Bastard.
Just not funny. Accent, bad. Material, bad. The only thing that would have made this worse is if he did it all in a suit of armour.
Bastard.
Well, so how do you feel about that, Sean?
Oh, shell-shocked, I'm not going to lie. That's the best reviews I've ever had in my life.
Sean, what have you got over there?
The script I'm auditioning for.
Oh, right, are you checking out Where You Die?
That's a myth, my friend. I don't die in my films, not if you watch them backwards.
Why on earth would I watch your films backwards?
Why on earth would you watch them forwards?
Fair enough.
This one's a romantic comedy. I play one of the lovers in it, but I need someone to test me on my lines. Lord Lycett, would you do me this honour?
Yeah?
Pass that along. Gratitude. I've taken the liberty to change the names of the characters just so it's easier to remember. So I'll be playing Sean.
OK, who am I playing?
Not Sean.
Yeah.
Action.
Sean, I have feelings for you.
What's my line?
As do I.
Right, I'm never going to remember that. Change it to bastard. Action.
Sean, I have feelings for you.
Bastard.
I need to feel your body against mine.
No, I've gone blank. What's my line?
As do I.
All right, that's just not sticking. Change that one to bastard as well. But this time add a touch of arousal.
What, me or you?
Both.
I need to feel your body against mine.
Bastard.
It says here they kiss.
Right.
Be gentle.
Done.
No, we're not.
Now we're done. Noel and Faye, you go first. I've got scripts for you there, and I've got some props for you. You're going to be performing a scene from Twilight. Faye, you're going to be Bella, and Noel, you're going to be Edward.
OK. Are these for me?
Yeah, you'll need those.
OK. How's that?
Or you could do Deirdre from Corrie if you'd rather.
OK, here's a script.
OK. OK, and take it away, Edward and Bella.
You're impossibly fast and strong. Your skin is pale white and ice cold. You never eat or drink anything. You don't go into the sunlight. How old are you?
17.
I know what you are.
Say it. Out loud. Say it.
Vampire.
Are you afraid?
No.
Not even of Jimmy? That's because you believe only the lies, the camouflage. Camouflage is virtually impossible. Bella, everything about me invites you in. My voice, my face, my smell. I'm designed to kill.
I don't care. I trust you.
Don't.
Bella and Edward, everyone. Wow. OK, Sean and Stephen, you're going to be doing a scene from Diamonds Are Forever. Sean, you'll be playing James Bond, of course. And Stephen, you'll be playing the Bond girl. There are some scripts and some props for you.
That's probably for you.
OK, so with the scene from Diamonds Are Forever, take it away.
Hi. I'm Plenty. Well, of course you are. Plenty O'Toole. Named after your father, perhaps? Would you like some help? On the craps, I mean? That's very kind of you. I'll take the full odds on the 10 and 200 on the hard way.
Say, you've played this game before. What accent am I doing? You played this game before. I went to RADA. Say, you played this game before.
Just once.
You handle those cubes like a monkey handles coconuts. You know something? You're a terrific guy. A little weird, but a terrific guy. Say, why don't we go someplace and have a drink?
A drink?
John Stephen there. I like the way you took off that wig like it was me all along. Here's your script.
Okay.
I'd like you to do a scene from When Harry Met Sally.
OK.
But to make it a bit more of a challenge, I'd like you to play Sally, John.
Is this part of the show, or is this just you wanting to see John in a wig?
This cheap tat is not a wig. It will inhibit my performance.
I know, I haven't grown mine out.
OK, so let's have
You
your
start.
acting skills.
So I'm yellow and you're not yellow.
Well, it's
that is how
There's two different
that's how the
parts.
professionals talk. You hear that on film sets. You'll hear Daniel Day-Lewis go, "I'm yellow, you're not yellow." It's the highlighted line.
I've never seen the film. Where is it set? Newcastle?
It's in New York.
You know what? I'm so glad I never got involved with you.
Why are you getting so upset?
What's the dog from the Magic Roundabout called?
Why are you getting so upset? It's not about you.
Yes, it is. You are a human affront to all women, and I am a woman.
Hey, I don't feel great about this, but I don't hear anyone complaining.
You're out the door too fast.
I think they have an okay time.
I think your mustache is upside down. How do you know that they really?
What do you say, that they fake an orgasm?
It's possible.
You don't think I could tell the difference?
No.
Get out of here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, right there. Shove it right up my... I've gone off script a bit. That's it, the whole ham. Right up there.
Wait, don't take it off, don't take it off, don't take it off, don't take it off.
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry.
Just quickly, I've just realised this looks like if I was transitioning. Like, because, you know, it's popular now.
OK, time to go across once again to Dictionary Corner. Greg, what have you got for us?
When I was an educator, as I was for many years, I was fortunate enough there was a guest speaker at the school that I taught at, and it was the ex-champion boxer Chris Eubank. He very kindly came in for nothing to inspire the children, and he did a 3.5-hour lecture to them. That it was unusual, and it consisted of him telling some loose anecdotes, but he interspersed them with very aggressive poems that he'd made up himself, which he shouted into the children's faces. And it, you know, it was really inspiring. Anyway, I realised afterwards I didn't think I could do impressions. I've never been able to do impressions. That I can do an incredible impression of Chris Eubank. And because he inspired me that day, I've realised that classic works of literature sound better through Eubank's voice.
What a wonderful treat for us all.
I thought I'd present some to you. And before I do, I would tell you that my agent and every member of production I've spoken to on this show has made it very clear they think this is a terrible idea.
That's coming after jumping on people.
I take a while to get Chris's voice, so bear with me. I have to.
No. It was the best of times.
Please, a little bit of culture, please.
It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness.
Thank you very much.
I mean, the sad thing is, it's actually a very good Nelson Mandela.
Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds just...
You sound like one of the Compare the Meerkats. If Chris Eubank was here, he wouldn't be offended. That's how bad it is.
Say, you know what, Greg? Say pugilist a few times. That
gets me in right.
That's his key word.
I wasn't a fighter, I was a pugilist. Are you talking to me? You... Well, then who the hell are you talking to?
You sound like a villain in Danger Mouse. That's what you sound like.
I know what you're thinking.
I'm fucking hell, Sean. It's one of the worst impressions ever.
I know what you're thinking. Did he fire 6 shots or 5? Well, to tell you the truth, now there's excitement, I kind of lost track myself. You've got to ask yourself one question. Do you feel lucky? What do you think? My name is Maximus.
I think I've made my point, Jimmy. Haven't I? I've made my point.